Hare Krishna. Welcome to the lesson from Damodara Lila 2. And in our last session, we have learned that on a very early morning, Diwali day or Deepavali day, Jasoda Maya assigning the work to all his maid servants, she herself churning the water for Krishna, and she's engaging his body churning the butter. She was engaging in the mind, thinking of Krishna. Also, she was engaging the words, singing the glorious activities of Krishna. And we learned that one should not delegate the service for Krishna to others. We should do ourselves. And also, we should always remember Krishna. As Yashoda Maya always never forget Krishna. While churning the butter, he is singing all these glorious activities of the Krishna. And today's verse is going forward the stories of Damodara Lila. Today verses is 10:9:3. So in these verses today, so Yashoda Maya is now the Sukadev Goswami is describing that how Yashoda Maya looks like. Dressed in a saffron yellow saree with a belt tied about her full hips, Mother Josoda pulled on the churning rope, laboring considerably, her bangles sunning, moving, vibrating, and whole body shaking because of her intense love for her child. Her breasts were wet with milk, her face with its very beautiful eyebrows was wet with perspiration. Malati flowers were falling from her hair. So here we can see that how the acharyas, they are like CCTV. They can envision the exact features that how Jasoda Maya wearing the silk sarees, yellow silk saree. Even they know the color. Just like Sukadev Goswami was describing the Putana, how she looks like. They were like CCTV. They are like Trikalagya. They know. They can envision. So much powerful by dint of devotion to the Lord. And here one more thing, one lessons we can learn, that perspiration. Jasodamaya engaged his body, mind, and words in service of Krishna out of immense love for him. So she's perspiring, very sincerely hardworking, laboring. Therefore, we should also perspire for Krishna and engage our mind, our body, mind, and words for Krishna. If that happens, then Krishna, we will invoke the mercy of Krishna. We will draw the attention of Krishna. Just like in the next verses, Krishna got up from sleep and is hungry and wanted to take milk. So this is the things Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati says, that do not desire to see Krishna. Do such a things that Krishna will desire or oblige to see us. That is what Mother Jasoda was doing. She is obliging Krishna to get up by the dint of her love, engaging his body, mind, and words in service of Krishna. So the next verses is there, very nice verses. In next verses it is stated that while Mother Jasoda was churning butter, Lord Krishna, desiring to drink milk of her breast, appeared before her in order to increase her transcendental pleasure. He caught hold of the churning rod and began to prevent her from churning. So here the Supreme Personality of God, who is Atmaram. Atmaram means self-satisfied. He is not hungry. He is not poverty-stricken. Satasaharsa Lakshmi Sambhrama Sebhyamanam. Very sincerely serving the Lord. Vaikuntha, he do not have lack of or deprived of milk, deprived of butter. He is the supreme proprietor. He is Atmaram, self-satisfied, but she is hungry. Actually, he is not hungry of milk, hungry of the love of. In the form of milk, love of Mother Jasoda. That's he is hungry, Krishna is hungry. Otherwise, he is self-satisfied. He is supreme proprietor. A supreme proprietor does not need to steal. A self-satisfied Atmaran does not need to be hungry. He is Punnam. But still, she wanted that love in the form of milk from Jasodamaya. That is the reciprocation of the love we should learn. And this apparent contradiction is only applicable for pure devotee. Even it is not applicable for anybody, any exalted, any other servant. What to speak out Mayavadis and yogis? Krishna does not refuse to be master of them. Although they were praying, they are praying for millions of years, meditating the Lord in his impersonal form to make Krishna as master. But Krishna refused to become master. On the contrary, Krishna wanted to be a servant of his pure devotee Jasodamaya. That is called Damodara Lila. So there is beautiful verses to end with the lessons. A beautiful verses it is stated here. The exchange of spiritual happiness between Krishna and his devotee, in which Krishna is controlled by his devotee, is compared to an ocean of nectar into his devotee and Krishna plunge. This is the verdict of learned scholars who appreciate Krishna's opulence. So here, Krishna is hungry for the love of Jasodamaya in form of milk. On the other hand, Jasodamaya is so much overwhelmed with love to feed the milk, breastfeed the milk to Krishna. That is the reciprocation. Thank you very much. Jai Damodara Lila ki jai, Shri Radha Damodar ki jai, Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol.